Hey there! Having trouble with your Cash App card? Want to know how to fix Cash App card not activating? You're in the right place. Cash App is a popular, convenient financial tool, but sometimes users encounter issues when activating their card. Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this problem effectively. With this guide, you'll have your Cash App card up and running in no time. Step 1. Check your card for damages. The first step in figuring out how to fix a Cash App card not activating is to thoroughly inspect the card for any physical damage. Look for cracks, chips, or any irregularities that might prevent the magnetic stripe or chip from functioning properly. If the card is damaged, contact Cash App support for a replacement. Sometimes the simplest solution is to have a new card issued. Step 2. Verify your account information. Ensure that all your personal information on Cash App is accurate and up to date. Go to the app and check that your name, address, and other details match the information you used during registration. An inconsistency in your data could be the reason behind the card activation issue. Correct any discrepancies by updating your profile information within the app settings. Step 3. Follow the activation instructions. When you first receive your Cash App card, it should come with specific instructions for activation. Generally, you'll need to scan the QR code on the card using your phone's camera through the Cash App. Open the app, go to the Cash Card tab, tap on the image of your card, and follow the prompted steps. If you didn't receive a QR code, select the option to use the CVV number instead. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during this process to avoid any interruptions. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. If after following the instructions your card is still not activating, it's time to reach out to Cash App support. Open the app, navigate to your profile and select Support. Explain the issue you're experiencing and provide all relevant details. The support team can guide you through further troubleshooting steps or escalate the issue if necessary. They might be aware of current system outages or bugs that could be affecting your card activation process. We've covered how to fix Cash App card not activating to ensure that you continue making transactions smoothly. By checking for physical damage, verifying your account details, following the correct activation process, and seeking help from Cash App support, you can solve this issue effectively. Remember, having the latest app update is crucial to avoid compatibility issues or missing out on potential bug fixes. Keep these steps handy for a hassle-free experience. Remember, financial apps are designed for your convenience, so if you ever encounter any roadblocks, these steps will help get you back on track. Stay patient and proactive, and before you know it, your Cash App card will be ready for action.